everybody! I feel like having something hot soup and comforting soup or stew. I'm sure that you guys also feel the same way. Today's recipe is Korean traditional bulgogi stew or Bulgogi-jeongol. So bulgogi is marinated beef and cooking with delicious broth and vegetables, colorful vegetables and mushrooms, tofu. Sounds really good. I'm going to make for only 2 servings to make it easy and faster. To make this stew, I bought this pre-sliced bulgogi and very thin. So thin like a paper. Marbled beef is the best. It's expensive, but we just don't use much beef. Only 8 ounces. And 2 or 3 people can enjoy this. Just this stew, bubbling stew, and rice and kimchi. That's all you need to finish a delicious and wholesome meal. So let's get started. This is 8 ounces. Let's just split. It's like a paper. And if this kind of fat is bothering you, you can get rid of this, like this. Cut this way, bite-sized pieces. That's it. Garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons just water, plain water, and mix. Wow, sesame oil smells so good. Bulgogi should taste a little sweet. Okay, set aside. This napa cabbage is always delicious. Make it broth sweet. Okay, I'm going to, in the center, okay, this. 3 or 4 green onion. And mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms. Any type of mushroom if you want. Use your favorite mushrooms. I'm using a few different kinds of mushrooms. Enoki mushrooms. Okay. King oyster mushrooms. This is oyster mushrooms. And tofu. And carrot. The center is empty. That's the beef, bulgogi. Let's add the bulgogi here. Usually, when you order bulgogi stew at the restaurant, they serve like this with broth. And then in front of you, and this boiling and cooking. Just quickly, 7 to 10 minutes of cooking, and then you can eat it because the meat is so thin that it is cooking so quickly. We need to pour some delicious broth or stock. So this is chicken stock. You guys can buy this at any grocery store. But I made a lot of anchovy kelp stock. because anchovy kelp stock is I make my soup, always make it tasty. So I run out, that's why I made a lot. Oh, nice. Look at this beautiful color. So I need that around 2.5 cups. This time I use a lot of radish, anchovy, kelp, green onion, and onion, and boil for a long time. 2 cups. Let's use half cup more. Then boil. Boil for about 7 minutes without lid. I'm cooking over medium high heat, and my mushrooms are all outside, so I'm going to, otherwise burning. So I'm just pushing these guys inside. Okay. Seven minutes passed, and then everything's boiling. Now this beef, we need to split the beef so they're cooking well. And cover. Around 2 minutes, 2 more minutes, less cooking. So this is my table setting. Very, very simple. I'm going to bring some kimchi, and also this is my rice bowl. Chrysanthemum greens. It's called in Korean sukka. It's a really nice flavor, and I'm going to add this on top. You don't have this, let's forget about that. Okay, it's very boiling. See, cabbage is well cooked. Let's check it out, everything. Beef is already done, but we didn't add any salt. I'm going to add fish sauce instead of salt. This is 2 teaspoons fish sauce. Chrysanthemum greens. That's it. Turn off. Rice and kimchi. This is my ponytail kimchi. These chrysanthemum greens are even just you eat raw. So on top like this. And also I didn't tell you, if you want, when it's bubbling, you just crack 1 egg or 2 eggs. 2 people for 2 eggs. And 1 more minute cooking. Even 1 carrot. It will be so cozy meal with soup. The broth is so good. Beef is tender. The taste is so good. You know, bulgogi. You love bulgogi, and then delicious stock together. So good. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.